As I said, you guys are growing up. That should reflect in the way you behave. If you want to behave like a toddler, you will continue in level 1 forever. Okay? So don't do that. I don't want you guys to continue in level 1 for the rest of your life. Level 2 is for 6th grade and above, 6 to 8. I would want some of you who are going to grade 6 to move to that level and start behaving accordingly. Okay? Yeah.
I'm supposed to be in 5th grade.
So you'll continue level 1 for some more time, few more months.
I'm going to level 2. No, that's I have a question.
Huh?
I have a question for Kavya.
You have a question for yourself. That is more
I have a
important.
question for Kavya.
That you can do after the class.
You guys were both the same grade.
Everybody here. All the blabber is getting recorded on the video.
Oh.
Okay, come back. So what we are going to do today? We are going to do two things. We are going to do tables, and we are going to do a review of what you guys have learned in the last 4 weeks. I'm going to ask questions and see who remembers those concepts, who has been just coming to the class for wasting each other's time. Yeah.
We haven't done times table in such a long time.
Yes, that's what. Which one? Table. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Tables, and then I'll ask questions on what we have done in last 4 weeks. That's why I did not give any assignment to you guys. Next one. Give me 2 minutes. So that's why I did not give any assignment. The assignment was that you guys will watch the video of the previous classes. At least try recalling what we have studied in last 4 weeks. Okay. So I'm going to ask questions, and whoever does a good job, an appreciation will go to your parents. Whoever doesn't, an information will go to your parents that yes, there is more seriousness needed. Yeah.
Next week's teacher appreciation.
You can appreciate me anytime you want. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, come back. So let's start with table. And Arav, no mischievous intent in the class. Only maths. Yes.
So can I start the timetables?
I will ask. You don't have to keep on reminding me. If you keep asking, you will be distracting me. Don't do that. Okay. So I will randomly pick anybody, and I will randomly pick anybody. I always believe that you guys have understand English better than I do. Okay. So don't give me confusion when it comes to knowing English. Okay. All right. So let's start with Goshika. I'll ask some questions on the table. Let's see. 9 8
72.
6 8
48.
8 9
72.
6 7
42.
9 7
62.
12 4
48.
13 3 That was a trick question. No. Nobody will raise hand. I'm asking one person. Okay, that was a trick question. Anyways, you have not done 12 13, so I'm not asking you. 12 6
72.
6 9
54.
7 7
49.
9 9
81.
6 8
48.
3 7
21.
4 8
32.
9 9
81.
Okay, good job. So, a round of applause for Goshika. She remember the table. Good job. Round of applause in a decent way.
Okay.
Okay, alright. Let's go to Kavyan. 6 8
48.
9 2
18.
8 9
72.
7 8
56.
12 3
36.
36. It was a trick question for you. I would not want you to memorize table of 12. You are good till table of 10. So 9 9
81.
3 9
27.
6 6
48.
6 6
30.
36. 7 5
30.
Very nice. So again, round of applause for Kavyan also. Good job. But I would want you to put little more effort. As in, spend 2 minutes to make sure that 6 6 is always 36, never 48. That is a non-affordable mistake. Okay? So make sure that till table of 10 you are just accurate. And you are pretty close. You are doing very good, okay? So I have no doubt, but I would want everybody in this room, including myself, to be solid with tables, okay? Including myself. If on any day you find that I am not knowing the table till 20, making mistake, you can remind me that okay, I think you also need to brush up. I will do that.
59 went up till 30.
Why? 20 is more than enough.
59
Huh?
59
450. Okay. Alright. So anyway, 50 table of 50 we don't have to memorize. Till 20 if somebody remembers, that is good enough. But anyways. So good job, Kavyan. Let's see Ishan. 6 8
6 8 or 48.
7 3
21.
7 7
Could I say?
Nobody. Only one person whom I'm asking. Okay. 6 8
6 8 or 48.
7 7 is 49. Okay.
Oh,
6 7
6 7 or 42.
42. 9 8
9 8 or 72. Yes.
Okay, so I'll stop here. That it's a very clear indication. And see, whenever we do any test, okay, test is not meant for telling that I'm a good guy or I'm a bad guy. Test is a reflection of what I have studied, what I'm not, where I have to put effort. Okay, so we also take test as a reflection of what we know. So this reflection was that we have to put effort. Okay, I would want you to memorize tables till 9 without fail by the class on the next Saturday. If it requires you to spend 10 minutes every day, please do so. Okay, I don't want anybody in this group to to be slow with tables. Okay, because tables are the building block of maths. Okay, I want everybody to be solid. So by next Saturday, Ishan, I want you to memorize table till 9 like a game. Okay? Yeah? Okay. So this is assignment for you. I'm saying it loud and clear for Ishan. The assignment is table till 9. Memorize this by next Saturday. I will come to everybody. I'm here for everybody, okay? It's not that I'll ask question to Gautika, Kavyan and Ishan and okay, bye guys, see you tomorrow. I'll not do that, don't worry. So let's check with Arav. 12 6
72.
8 9
72.
6 8
48.
48. Okay. 7 7
49.
9 3
27.
37 37.
27.
Okay. 9 9
81.
8 9
72.
6 7
42.
4 9
36.
9 8
32.
6 4
32.
24. 6 4 So Tran. Always use Tran. Read, hear, ask. Okay? Because see, you guys, everybody here in this group is smarter than me for sure. I can give you in writing. But it's all about being more disciplined, paying attention. That's what will make you do better than what I have done. Okay? So let's 9 9
81.
8 9
72.
7 6
42.
8 6
48.
6 3
18.
2 9
18.
3 8
24.
So again, good round of applause for Arab also. And see, this is what I want to do. I want to do it for everybody here. Okay, that's what gives me a sense of pride that everybody in my class is solid with math. That's what we're working on. You're not forgetting, you're finding the place where you can go to get distracted. If you yourself get distracted, there's nobody else who can help you. Okay? Stay on this page. Don't have to go find a treasure hunt. Okay? There's no prize for doing treasure hunt on the notebook. Again, don't do that. Don't do that. So don't do that. Just stay on that page. If you have to note down something, you'll note down, you'll tear up that page and take it with you. Okay? That's what you'll do. Okay? So, good job. Let's go to my 6 9 there. 9 2 there. 8 9 there. 6 8 there. 12 5 there. 6 9 there. 5 8 there. 7 7 there. 9 3 there. 12 4 there. 4 8 there. 9 6 there. 12 7 there. 8 9 there. 7 9 there. 9 8 there. Okay, good job. Round of applause for Maya also. Don't become like a kindergartner, okay? Always, now you guys have to start believing that some of you will go to level 2. Level 2 is not a very irresponsible zone where you can do that class dance like the toddlers do, okay? Okay, alright. So, Advik, 12 6 there. 7 8 there.
56.
8 9 there.
72.
7 10 there.
70.
3 8 there.
24.
9 3 there.
27.
9 8 there.
72.
8 8 there.
64.
7 5 there.
35.
6 9 there.
54.
8 7 there.
56.
2 8 there.
60.
Okay. 12 6 there.
72.
12 9 there.
108.
Wonderful. So, good job.
I-
So,
No, it's the happy face.
that's out of syllabus when it comes to learning maths. Okay. No emoji, no happy face, no drawing, no painting, no. What is that? Do you want to paint? How would you remember tables then?
No, in this class.
So see, when I'm doing painting, I'll do painting. If you go to star test and make 5 nice drawings, you will get a very nice drawing in a circular shape. Okay? So don't do that. That's why I keep saying that when you are playing, just play. When you are studying, just study. Don't dance. So stay focused on what you are doing at any point in time. Okay? If you are watching TV, just watch TV. Don't think about your star test. So that is how you will be able to do your best when you are doing that. So that's what I'm saying. Again, that is also not clear, right? Alright. So stay focused. Do what you are doing without any distraction. That is how you will be able to do your best. So let's see what you guys remember from the last 4 classes. We did decimal to fraction, fraction to decimal. Who all remembers that?
What?
Decimal to fraction, fraction to decimal. Everybody remembers that? Yeah? Okay. Okay. No. Don't get me pissed off. Okay? This is not right. Don't keep on repeating the same mistake. I am promising you guys that I'll pay attention to each and every person in this class. Okay? Everybody will get a chance. Okay? Now, let's do 2 sums. 104. Convert this into decimal and 2 by 7.
Can I do both?
Convert this to fraction, convert this to decimal.
Can we do both? Can I do
Yeah.
one? Can I both?
Everyone can do both, okay? So, you have only 2 minutes. Myra starts. And do quickly, but don't do it for making mistake. Do both. And Myra, you don't have to rush for it. Just do it normally, okay? Huh? Okay, no, wait.
Denominator by the numerator and put it as decimal.
Everybody. So, I have taught how to convert fraction to decimal. Do you remember, Myra?
I wasn't there.
You were not there.
What?
If anybody misses a class, why am I recording the video? This is not to get the viewership and make money, okay? This is for you guys. I
We're
don't.
getting views.
Yeah.
So why did I learn?
That's like Mr.
So this is, Ishan, you have enough problems to deal with. Don't get more problems added to your list, okay? You focus on tables. You're the only one who did not do great with the tables today. You never came back to me. And if you're happy, if you're proud of being in that situation, that is not a good situation to be proud of. Okay? So let's work on it and don't get distracted. Arif, do dancing better. Just stay quiet in one place. You will not be able to solve this, but yeah, if you went this far, I'll quickly check. Yeah.
Just do 20 and then put a dash on it. Or 20
Yeah.
and
Okay.
Just you
That's okay. Not on the 4 and the entire thing. Yeah. And this is a symbol of recursion. No. Okay. Oh, everybody here in the class. So what I was saying was, this is what I have taught in the class. If any of you missed the class, it is your job
To watch the video.
to watch the video, do some practice, not to give me the viewership, but for your own learning. Okay? And anybody feels like laughing, will have to go to the corner and laugh for as long you want to laugh. Okay? Don't do that.
not for the whole class.
Pay attention. Now you also have to start becoming naughty. Okay? Don't do that. I like naughty kids, but not while I'm teaching math.
Oh, don't the naughtiness that on Santa's list?
Everybody here. So now I'm giving one to Kavyan. So Kavyan, go and solve this. There's no sports events happening where you have to go and cheer up. Here.
Was there a class last week?
Hmm?
It was online. It wasn't in the other
No, last week we had the class.
Yeah, on Zoom.
I was in Mexico.
Or whatever.
Everybody here, see what Kavyan remembered.
Everybody, stop talking now. Look what the work Kavian's doing. Go Kavian, you can do it.
I can't think of that.
Myra.
She just
No.
confessed that she watched TV on that. Because I forgot.
Arif, you're not the teacher, you're a student, stay like a student. And everybody here, we're not here for any gossip, okay? We are here for class.
Can we cheer for him at least?
No. Hmm?
You have only one more letter left. Let me finish
So,
that.
come here.
No,
Stay on your place. Stay. Everybody here. Say to yourself without uttering it. So, Kavyan, this is not correct because you missed 1 0. You have to always, whenever you are converting a fraction to a decimal, this is the easiest of the problem that we can solve. Okay, you will always write it as is without the decimal, and then you put a 1 for the decimal and then count the digits. 2 digits, 2 zeros.
It's in the hundreds place.
Okay.
Yeah, no, the 8.
So, okay. Now, when you are doing this one seems to be correct. But always do set 4 by 6. This is what you are doing. So, 4 divided by 6. Put a decimal, get a 0. 6 6 are 36, 4, and this keeps on going. So what you did was you put a recursive. So you did the fraction thing, conversion of fraction to a decimal, you did it right. Okay. Here you missed 1 0 because you were probably a little distracted. You were thinking about what Arav is saying, what Advik might say, what Goshika will think about. So when you are doing one thing, pay your 100% attention there, and you will not be wrong.
It's not funny. Rajan is trying to do his best.
Good job.
It's not funny. It's
Okay, so calm down. So, okay, now I did one for
me.
Arav, and Arav will do it and then stay quiet.
It's not me. It's not
You will also get it.
Ooh, goody.
Arav, don't make fun of the class. Don't make fun of the class. Just stay serious, and if you know things, you don't have to get a bad name for doing things. Everybody stay quiet. There's no hurry, no hurry. Do it with a peace of mind.
Rob, it's not the smart test.
And yeah, I mean, no hurry.
It's not the smart test, it's just the test.
Even if it's a start test, you don't get extra points for being wrong by doing faster. Advik,
This would be quiet.
Myra, and Goshika. Don't try playing my role, Arav. My role, I only will play. You also will get a timeout.
If you talk in my class, the teacher can get
Okay.
Why did I complain? I was like, I to be quiet, but he wouldn't. So
You don't have to do that. That is not part of your job.
But see, I'm
You're
gonna
here.
concentrate, he's talking.
That is none of your problem to solve. You guys have, I don't know if there's a way to evaluate you guys, but if I were you, I mean, if I were the teacher who had to decide, looking at the behavior of you guys, I'll not promote you guys to next grade. Because every grade you go to, that needs a certain level of maturity, and trust me, you have to demonstrate that. Otherwise, people will make fun of you, saying that, oh, I don't know what kind of maturity these kids have. When you guys grow up, you have to actually grow up, and that should reflect. That's what I've been telling. And what I can do for you guys is, after summer break or sometime, I can put you guys in one of the classes with the senior kids. You will see how they are senior now. What has made them become senior? They don't talk nonsense. And that is how you have to be, because you guys have to grow up as well. If you behave like this, remain like a toddler, trust me, nobody is going to give you value and weight. Nobody will even consider you a 6th grader or 7th grader when you grow up. So, time to reflect, okay? Now, whatever you did, this one is correct. No problem with this. With this one, I start kind of freaking out when I see you guys rushing for it. I would be very happy if I see this, okay? Okay, this, let me write 001403. Okay?
That's
Then-
what I did.
No, wait. Okay, then 1 and then 5 zeros. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This takes 2 seconds extra. What is wrong?
You actually,
You don't have to talk for the sake of talking, Arav. This is not wrong. If you prove me wrong, I'll stop teaching from tomorrow.
Yeah, it's wrong.
Yeah, it's wrong. Because it's one, it's supposed to be 10,000 because that digit.
He added
What?
an extra zero up
Yeah.
there.
2 plus 3. Okay? I'll have to stop teaching from tomorrow then. Okay? No, so that's what you guys are getting into. You will, regardless of which class you go to, you will not learn anything. Right? You are busy doing treasure hunt, you are busy doing everything else that is not needed. You come to the class without. I'm not talking about right now. In the class's beginning, you have been finding which page has what. You borrowed the notebook because you did not bring it from home. I gave it to you, which I was not supposed to. But instead of noting down the things, you are doing everything else. When I'm asking you for tables, and this is the 4th or 5th month, or maybe more, and you still are struggling with tables, this is not good. But I don't know if there's a better way of telling this to you. Start getting serious before the problem becomes serious. Okay? We need to get serious before the problem becomes serious. Okay? Aaron, there's nothing funny about it. And if you find it funny, you go enjoy near the tree. Okay? So, everybody in this class, I only request to you is for next 50 minutes, 1 hour, whatever is the duration of the class, you have to be here. You're coming here for a purpose. Don't kill that purpose by wasting your time and my time. Okay? Now, so this is what I was saying. So this was a mistake. And that mistake happens because of ignorance. I made a statement that if this is wrong, I will stop teaching. And that was overconfidence. I felt that this is not right. But I had to count this. And this is the mistake that everybody makes. If you don't pay attention, if you don't stay careful, you will make mistake. And you have reasons to be happy. If you don't want to come to the class, tell your parents don't come. That's all.
Also, my dad told me like said when you start doing it, I should do slowly.
So why were you rushing them?
It wasn't rushing. I was like doing my normal
You were
pace.
you were rushing. If that is the normal pace, I would suggest slow down a little bit. Okay?
But I prove you wrong. Tomorrow.
Alright. So here also this sum was also correct. But same thing as I always say, keep it visible. Here I can write this 0.01403.
What the heck does that say?
You will hardly be able to read it and you will not be able to review it or do the calculation. I'll just keep enough distance so that you can.
Can I go next?
I'll come to you. I mean, see, I get distracted and I have to. Come back.
Is the bed really real?
What is that?
Is that you won't teach tomorrow?
I mean, if you guys don't want to.
No, but see, I proved you wrong.
Yeah. You proved me wrong. Yeah.
My reward is granted.
Yeah. You will get a reward, but you can kind of delete all the rewards by getting your name written here in the corner all the time. So grow up first. That is very important. Okay. Now on the 7 by 9 thing, same thing. I would want you guys to use the board properly rather than kind of scribbling in the corner and making it illegible. Okay. Divide 7 by 9. You have the entire board with you. What is the point? I'll put a decimal, gets me 0. Now 9 7s are 63. I'll write it like a king. Why I have to kind of write it like a beggar? Everybody's trying to save this thing. Use the board like a king. Yeah? Then I get a 7. This decimal gets me one more 0. 63. Get a 7. Decimal gets me a 0. 70. I'll continue from here. Think fine. 63. I get a 7 here. There was 70 that came from here to here. Decimal gives me 0. So just keep going like this. Always make sure that whatever you write on the board or on the notebook, it is visible, it is legible, and people can read it. Whatever you are writing is not for you to read, it's for somebody else to read. Okay? Hands down.
This is a valuable question.
Huh?
So you know when I solve the second time, I put an approximate sign. Can that also work because it has infinite sevens? It's not one of
This is where I tend to stop you all the time. When you are doing something, stay focused on that one. You can do approximation, you can do estimation, you can do n number of things. If you try doing everything in one sum, you will not get extra marks. It might so happen the teacher might get confused and think that you are doing something other than what you were supposed to do, and you might get a negative point for that. So don't do that. Whatever you have been asked to do, just do that much. Okay? If you have to do percentage, do percentage. Don't do deal, don't do financial literacy concepts in one sum. Okay, now Advait has been waiting for some time. Now whatever I have told, I hope you guys will implement that. Quick but careful. And Ishan is next, so be ready. I would want you to solve sums also. See. Okay. So,
see, I have one doubt. I think did the first question wrong because he added like 100,000 when he put it 10,000. And second, could he also put it one drop and put a 7 so it can stop the infinity?
no. Don't. That's why I stopped you when you were saying so, right? The approximation thing I'm not wanting to do right now. This is the recurrence thing that he's trying to depict here. Here, this point is valid. Like the mistake that I made, I did not count the digits properly. No, this is correct.
No, because that's 1,000, that's 4 digits. So how can he put it?
Where is
That's
4
5
digits?
digits.
It's 5 digits, dude.
So now it's going to be 100,000. He had to put it 10,000.
You added an extra zero.
1, yeah, 4 zeros. 2 plus 3, 5 zeros. No, this is 5. This is fine. You are getting everybody confused. So that this one is correct. Now this one also is correct. Only thing I would suggest, Advik, is start behaving like a king.
Act like a king with the whiteboard.
Use the whiteboard as if this is yours. Okay.
Oh, yay.
Don't kind of squeeze the characters and they become difficult to see.
Can you
Okay.
please erase my name from the corner?
How is that?
Can you please erase my name from the corner?
I will erase it if I find a reason, and I will write it when I find a
I
reason.
have a reason because I proved you wrong and you can teach for tomorrow. So.
That doesn't mean I will cook for you.
Oh.
Yeah. I mean, you proved me wrong once. That is good. I'm happy that my kids are paying more attention in the class. That doesn't mean I'll come to mop the floor for you. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Come back to the class, Ishan. I want you to convert this into a fraction.
Wait, I have to do my work quick.
Just convert this into fraction. Okay, good job. So this is correct. Wait. So I was checking
1,000.
1000. For decimal you never put a 2. If you are putting a 2, that means there's a problem. Yeah, no, I saw that. So convert this to the decimal. Yeah. 1.2. How?
Because you've got more than the whole, so you would have to add 1, and then with the remaining there's 2 left, so you would get
Mm-mm.
2.
No, but you have to divide it by the
Simple thing.
by the
Okay?
redirection.
Calm down. Simple thing, okay? Whenever you have a fraction, be it less or more, be it 6 by 4, 4 by 8, whatever be the case, okay? You have to do only one thing, divide. If you're dividing, let's say 6 by 4, okay? Arav, Javier. If you're dividing 6 by 4, now see, 6 is bigger than 4, okay? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Everybody calms down. 4 1s are 4. Ishan, I'm teaching you. At least you don't have to get distracted. 4 1s are 4. What is remainder? 2. Now 2 is smaller than 4. That is when the decimal comes into play. Okay? Now that gives you a 0 here. How many times of 4 will give you 20?
5.
So what I'm trying to say, the answer that you gave 1.2, that is not the correct way of doing it. Regardless of whether it's a proper fraction or improper fractions, you will just divide the numerator by the denominator. Numerator by the denominator. Okay? And just go ahead with that. Don't think too much. If you think too much, you might go wrong. Okay? Yeah.
Mr. Kumar is never the best option, right?
Huh?
Right, mental math is never the best option.
Math is always the best option. Provided
Mental
you pay
math is never the
Mr.
best
Kumar.
option.
Which one?
Mental math. Mr. Kumar, can you also say that you guys will be a
Mental math, there is nothing called mental math.
No,
You
it's
do,
like what are you doing?
wait, what I'm trying to say is, do you want me to keep on increasing the number here in the corner? Then why you are doing that? No, this is not a dance class. I'm not teaching you as hip hop. Am I being clear or not? So don't dance. Stay still, pay attention, answer to what I'm asking. And that's the only way you can learn. Okay, so what I was saying was mental math. Mental math comes as a substitute. Just helps you do things faster. Let's say if I'm doing 4 by 20, okay? And okay, 20, 4 goes here. I'm trying to divide by 20. Mental math is what? You say, okay, fine, 4 is smaller than this 20. I'll give the decimal, makes it 20. 22s are 40, 22s are 40. Okay, this is the mental math. You will not say, okay, I will not do anything. 4 by 20, 0.6. That is not mental math. That could get very sentimental math actually.
Mental math is like when you try to do it in your head, you have to keep numbers in your head and keep doing it.
Right, I mean that's where the tables and all will help you, but don't solve math without solving it.
That's why I said mental math is not always the best option, and mental math is never.
That remains debatable. I will not go there. I encourage kids to do mental math, but that is as a supplement to your actual math, not as the core. Okay, let's see what Gossika remembers. And all the kids in the class who could not do fractions to decimal, decimal to fraction, watch this video, watch the previous video, whatever you can do to make sure that.
I have a question. I don't know how to do it. Is that a 0?
Yeah, this is 0.
No, this.
Yeah, this is 0.
I have a question.
Okay, why you guys have to keep talking in parallel? Yeah.
If he said mental math is never the best option, then why don't we just do mental math and multiplication?
Yeah.
There's no. See, if I want to prove you wrong, you want to prove him wrong, he tries to prove him wrong, we are wasting time.
Well, I did.
Do what works best for you. If you're comfortable doing mental math and you get your answers right always, use it. If that is not helping, let's say he doesn't believe in that, let him do the calculation. That's all. Arif, nothing funny. And I will put everybody's name in the corner and keep on increasing the counter for every mistake you do. Trust me, you guys will be surprised to see how many times you guys are disturbing the class.
Oh, like mistaken math or
Koshika.
Okay.
Please,
Rosika is done. Let's see. This,
job.
okay. This is correct. Here, one, this, okay. Yeah, correct. I can see that. Wonderful. This is also correct. So good job. Okay. So this was with the decimals. We looked at decimals, we looked at fractions, we looked at how do we convert each other, and we revised tables. Now my request to you all would be that whoever has any doubt with the tables, right? I mean, I'll not call out the names on the video, right? But I would want you guys to do the tables. I've given you guys assignment also on the table. Make sure that everybody is very, very thorough with the tables till 10 without any mistakes. Okay? That is one. Then on the decimal to fraction conversion, if you have not watched the video from previous class, at least watch this one. At least see one kid doing it. Okay? Everybody. I mean, you will not have any harm. You will not do any harm if you learn or revise something that you already know. Okay?
So can I have another problem? I'm bored. Another.
That's why you were dancing? To get rid of the boredom? No. The class is over now anyways. The kids from the next class are already here. Okay? So, no, sit down. I'll let you guys know when you have to go.
Can I move to the dog?
Huh? Yeah, you can tears up.